Introducing the ABI Infield Grader, a performance-oriented yet cost-effective infield maintenance groomer designed for use behind a riding mower or zero-turn vehicle with a rear hitch. Proudly made in the USA, the ABI Infield Grader's innovative design reduces surface compaction, evenly grades low and high areas, and properly grooms infields, achieving the playable results teams need, all with one tool. With an ABI Infield Grader, every baseball and softball league can now afford safer and more playable infields. A safe and playable infield is traditionally developed through hours of hard work by multiple people and the use of a variety of different tools. The ABI Infield Grader's design uses the power of the lawnmower to significantly reduce hand labor and consolidates multiple tools into one, making it easy for one person to manage many fields alone. To combat traction issues that often occur with lawnmowers, ABI has incorporated our patent-pending controlled force technology on the ABI Infield Grader. By leveraging the weight of the vehicle, while also allowing that leverage to release to maintain traction, all operators can safely get real work done from the seat of the lawnmower. Using the wireless electric actuator's downward force on the springs and grading box, the hitch of the infield grader tops out against the mower, using the weight of the operator and mower to put applied force to the loosening and grading action. Operators can use the wirelessly controlled electric actuator to make on-the-go adjustments. This, in combination with our coiled spring technology, allows the grader box to release pressure when the ground is too compacted, keeping the mower and the infield grader from losing traction. The ABI Infield Grader's 48-inch grader box is mounted between the mower tires and the grader's gauge tires. This positioning enhances leveling capability and ease of operation. The half-inch thick grading blade ships with a smooth edge mounted for precision grading. However, it may be flipped over to a serrated edge for more aggressive action. The adjustable and replaceable loosening teeth can loosen a compacted infield up to 1 3/4 inches, depending on the application and conditions. Behind the infield grader, 2 attachments are available to provide a safe and consistent playing surface. The XD Flexible Steel Mesh Drag Mat is 6 feet wide by 1.5 feet long. It is ideal for most any infield in any condition. The steel mesh is made of extremely thick rust-resistant galvanized steel. The rods are an impressive 6-gauge, and the ends are welded to protect the edges from fraying as it hits bases, fencing, and other obstacles. For easy transport, it can be stowed on the carrier. The available fine finish broom is 6 feet wide and offers 3 replaceable rows of bristles. The finish broom creates a pristine finish in both high and low moisture conditions. It can also raise and lower with the grader box. There's no need to manually lift it off the ground for transport. Get safer and more playable infields. Get the ABI Infield Grader. To find out how the ABI Infield Grader can work for you, visit infieldgrader.com or call our toll-free number at 877-788-7253 and speak to one of our knowledgeable product specialists.